motivated and devoted. Yeah. That's words to live by. You know, but anyways, thank y'all for coming out, man. I really appreciate it. This turned out pretty wavy. I'm Finesse. Thank you for coming out. Let's get it, man. What's the next track?
Finesse the World.
You need y'all to bounce right now. Let's go, baby.
Listen.
It's time to turn the fuck up.
I do what I gotta do. Wisdom Finesse. Listen. That's right.
All my Finesse the World niggas, let's get on stage for this one, baby.
Listen. Necessary. Young life outside. I said, I do what I gotta do by any means necessary, you heard? By any means necessary, you heard? Drop it.
Finesse the World. Hey, get it, baby. Time to turn the fuck up. You got here, Emily Kill. Maybe this thing.
Strong on. Ace.
Get it, Ace.
Wisdom. I do what I gotta do. By any means necessary, you heard? A dub life outside. That's just what I strive for. Yeah. I'm a dub life outside. A dub life outside. Yeah. I'm a dub life outside. A dub life outside. Yeah. Pretty and a play. Pretty and a play. Yeah, I got pretty and a play. Pretty and a play. Yeah, I'm a dub life outside. Dub life outside. Yeah. Dub life outside. Dub life outside. Yeah, I got pretty and a play. Pretty and a play. Look, I got a penny and a plan, and some Henny and a can of Red Bull. I'm a Red Bull with a cause. I never settle for a loss. I'm on the schedule of a boss with a petrol to the floor. I get pregnant up the gun, cause the devil is the cross. Yeah, just like these rappers. You don't wanna fuck with me, rappers. I could leave you covered in plastic, just like the money that's under my mattress. Now bring me a cup of yak on a cup of rocks, no matter of fact vodka. And I'ma just hold it up high and toast to the come like outside. Listen,
outside. Somebody who lives outside the dub life. Community, just wait. How are you? Untrustworthy. The opposite of A1. A dub life outsider strives to be. Dub life outsider. Right away, necessary.
Every bit of progress. Hey, lower. Yo, rewind it 15 seconds if that's possible.
Swag out on the knees.
Swag out on the knees. Hey, I made these beverages too, they're not bad. You know what I'm saying? I only drink A1 vodka, so it's just vodka mixed with either blue or red Hawaiian punch. Better get you something free, they on me.
A1, a dub life outsider strives to be.
Check it, lower it.
Outside.
Listen to what I gotta say right now. Every bit of progress I've ever made has been a result of me being devoted to the idea of the dub life outsider. You feel me? You pray to God for your family, but you an outsider. Mind, money, muscle, all flee, but you an outsider. Love, loyalty, and luxury.
All the outsiders. God bless and all the outsiders.
Pray to God for your family, you an outsider. Mind, money, muscle, all flee, but you an outsider. Love, loyalty, and luxury.
All the outsiders. God bless and all the outsiders.
I handle every situation with finesse. I feel amazing, homie, I ain't even rest. If you owe me, I ain't taking nothing less. I tatted money, power, respect on my chest. When I was only 15, I did that. Y'all been trailed, listen up, I've been trapping. Since the 6th grade, drug dealing's been my passion. And every time I try to stop it, pull me back in. Every time I try to put away the scales, the allure of the trap game prevails. Until I started putting shirts up for sale. And that's my word, I ain't gonna fail. Then you an outsider. Then you an outsider. Love, loyalty, and luxury.
To all the outsiders. God bless and all the outsiders.
I look around and everyone I see is food games. They say they did time and that they move weight. When they sold nicks and dimes and did 2 days, they got you hypnotized, don't listen to what these fools say. Most of these rappers don't ever make me say touche, except for like Lupe, Guru, Drake, Tucci, J, and a few others. But the true greats are Bruce Wayne, Bruce Lee, and Andy Dufresne. But anyway, I'm with a bad chick under a palm tree. Everything on is on fleek. If she starts slacking, I calmly say stop that or I'm gone. Peace, I'm in deeper than Donnie. Brasco and Jarasco and a Johnny. Cash quote, paddle on skid dad, don't like it.
You an outsider.
You an outsider. To all the outsiders.
God bless all the outsiders. You an outsider.
Yo, Oz, what up, boy? Oz, what up, boy? Dan, what up, boy? Dan, what up? What up, boy?
Bless all the outsiders.
Yes. Hold on. Anybody who's a boxer in here, put your hands in the air. Yeah, that's one. That's two. Where you at? Wait, Chris, stop playing with me, man. Yo. I was gonna try to keep you low key, man, but I couldn't. I was gonna put him on the flyer, but he low key. I don't even know where he's at. Where Chris at? Oh, he left, man. Yeah. Yo, alright, next track, man.